In a remote, wild corner of Africa, a dry wind sweeps over the expansive loneliness of the Kalahari Desert. The natives call this place the Mother of Thirst. This desert of thorn bush and sand covers 300,000 square miles in South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana. In the midst of this arid environment lies one of nature's great improbabilities, the Okavango Delta, a lush swamp resting in the middle of the Kalahari Desert. In fact, this watery wilderness of looping channels is the largest inland delta in the world, covering over 9,000 square miles of Mopani woodlands, dry savanna, and permanent wetlands. This land, with few human settlements, has benefited more from benign neglect than from any careful planning. Drought is a cyclical phenomenon in this harsh land which forces extreme adaptation on all its inhabitants. By the end of the dry season in October, the parched land is etched with animal trails leading to waterholes. Thirsty antelopes, giraffes, and zebras crowd these shrinking oases, desperate for the life-sustaining water. Predators are also drawn to the water. The nervous herds bolt for safety at the least suspicion of danger. At its outer fringes, the Okavango blooms and withers with the ebb and flow of seasonal rains. At its center, however, the delta is a permanent swamp that never disappears, sustained by the flooding waters of the Okavango River, which meanders slowly south from the highlands of Angola, recharging the marshes in June and July with a continuous supply of sweet, clear water. From November to March, the rains come, usually in thunder showers, turning the land green. For just a few days during the rainy season, the delta's backwater lagoons come alive with lily blossoms. Each lily opens, then its stalk recoils to pull the bloom underwater, where ripening fruits and seeds eventually drift away.